Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Lenovo N27p 27-inch 4K IPS monitor, a display designed for sharp visuals and everyday productivity. The first thing you'll notice is the 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160. Text looks crisp, images are incredibly detailed, and streaming content feels more immersive. The IPS panel provides wide viewing angles, so colors stay accurate even if you're not sitting directly in front of the screen. Color performance is another strong point. With high sRGB and DCI P3 coverage, visuals appear vibrant and natural, making this monitor a solid choice for photo editing, video work, and creative tasks. Comfort also plays a big role here. It features low blue light and flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain during long sessions. The adjustable stand lets you raise, tilt, and position the monitor to fit your setup perfectly. With USB-C connectivity, you can connect and power compatible laptops using a single cable, helping keep your desk clean and organized. Overall, the Lenovo N27p delivers sharp 4K clarity, strong color accuracy, and practical features for work and entertainment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.